Hello mga kapartner, ako po si Emir dito and good day sa inyo lahat. This is a basic training kung paano tayo mag-login sa Rain International. Ito po sa mga bagong members na nagjo-join lang. Okay? So, number 1, i-google lang natin. I-search natin sa Google, Rain International. So, click natin po dyan. Bibigyan na sa atin yung link. So, Rain International World Leaders in Seeds Nutrition. Enter po tayo dyan. So, since we are in United Kingdom, click natin dyan. So, these are the countries na pwede na po tayong gumawa ng business. We have Canada, United States, Austria, Croatia, Germany, Hungary, Romania, Serbia, Switzerland, Netherlands, Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, Philippines, Malaysia, Japan, Taiwan, Hong Kong, and Singapore. So, i-click na po natin since nandito tayo sa UK. Click UK. Okay. Then, click login po. Dito yan sa side, sa left side. Click. Then, since naka-record na po yung ID number ko and yung password ko, so, i-click na lang natin sign in. Kung kayo ho, ilagay nyo dito yung password nyo at saka yung ID number. Okay? So, sign in tayo. So, nandito na po tayo sa loob ng dashboard ko. So, you can upload po yung picture nyo. And sa baba niyan is yung position nyo sa Rain. And ito po yung mga taong nagjo-join, kaka-join lang nila sa iba't ibang lugar. So that means, we are really worldwide. We have Singapore, Switzerland, Austria, United Kingdom, obviously Malaysia, Serbia, Taiwan. So that means po buong mundo na po talaga yung Rain. So, napakaganda talaga yung business na to kasi even through internet po magagawa tayo ng negosyo na ito. Facebook especially, that's one of the tools. So nakikita nyo dito sa left volume, ang ibig sabihin niya ng volume points ko po yung 66,885 and yung right volume ko is 1,110. I-explain po namin yan sa marketing plan ko paano kinukuha niyan. And yung team po, ito yung total team ko is 312 on my left leg and 35 team on my right leg. And total leaders is 4 lang po. Kasi sa business na to, we don't need to have a lot of leaders po. Okay na po yung 4. Masaya na po tayo doon. So, we will also discuss po yan sa marketing plan. Now, you can see, ito po, organization natin, ng business, organization ko po, ganito yung structure po. This is the structure of binary po natin, left leg and right leg, and ito yung organization blue. So, dito nyo makikita yung mga pangalan na nagjo-join na rin na minsan magugulat na lang kayo. Hindi nyo na alam kung sino nagjo-join sa inyo sa dami-dami na nagjo-join sa Rain. So, at actually, buong mundo po. From London, marami. Batangas, that's Philippines. Ilport, that's United Kingdom. Middlesex, Urdaneta City, which sa totoo lang po, hindi ko nakilala sila po. So, that's how we are excited in this kind of business po. And yung commission, click nyo lang yung commission. Diyan tayo na-excite lagi. And yes, sa commission po, every week po sila nagbabayad. As you can see, weekly po, no? And this is not a pound. This is a US dollar po. At yung paano pumapasok sa account natin dito po. And we also have a card, Paylution card. So, yun. Ito mga pumapasok po sa mga Paylution na. So, next, I will explain you kung paano naman gumawa ng Paylution card. So, let's type here, Paylution card. Enter. So, pag gusto nyo i-activate yung Paylution nyo, just go ahead to activate it. Then, therefore, it's either use your email or you will use your ID membership. Yung katulad ko, ang ID membership ko po is 185611. At makikita nyo po yan sa organization views. Yan. It's makikita not there but here, sorry. Okay, so nandito po tayo. So this is my number po, is 185611. So paano i-activate po ito ulit? Just go to and then type yung number mo, 185611. Yan po, ganito. Then, just press continue. So, since meron na po ako, ganito po yan. Welcome. And, sign in lang po. That's it. And yan. So that's it. So that is the basic basic training po natin, training 101. And more power to all of us. And the best is yet to come. So more power again and God bless po. Bye-bye.